Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about buck step down module. It's a fast charging module. If you want to charge your cell phone, any cell phone like iPhone, Samsung, Huawei, any cell phone from the solar panel directly, you can use this module. This module is an amazing module. If you can give up to 32 volts at its input and you can get the 5 volts and maximum 3 amperes at the output. This is an amazing, tiny, low cost and efficient module which you can use directly with the solar panel. Very small, it has the USB output. You can get the fast charging for your cell phone from here, and you can give like 6 volt to 32 volts at its input. So it has so many features like overcurrent protection. If you are providing more current at the input, so it would not burn because it has built-in overcurrent protection. It has also over voltage protection. If you are providing more than 32 volts at its input, so even then it will not burn. And it has under voltage protection also. If you are giving 1 volt or 2 volts, so it's not gonna burn your cell phone. So this is all about the input. Now let's talk about the output. At the output you have the short circuit protection. Short circuit means if you are getting output from here and plus and minus 5 volt, if you just touch these two wires plus and minus, and if you plug these two wires like in a reverse order, even then this module is not going to be damaged. And it has also overcurrent protection. Like if for example you are driving some load, for example the load is wants to take 1 ampere, but it can give up to 3 amperes, so it's not gonna burn that because it will provide 1 ampere according to the requirement. It supports the iPhone, Samsung and Huawei all charging protocols like BC 1.2, Qualcomm QC 2.0, 3.0, Huawei AFC protocols. It is supporting all these charging protocols, so you can charge any cell phone of any capacity using this tiny module. Suppose this is your solar panel. The solar panel is of 180 watts. Like it is giving almost 22 to 24 volts at the output. 180 watt solar panel is normally giving 7 to 8 amperes at the output. So this is plus wire, this is the minus wire from the solar panel. Alright, so this module you can directly connect over here. The plus side, this is the minus side, and you can charge your cell phone directly from here. Suppose your panel is giving more than 24 volts at the output, so it can support up to 36 volts, but if you are providing more than 36 volts, it has a over current and over voltage and under voltage protection at the input, so this module will not damage. If you are using this panel for them 340 watts panel and the voltage is higher above 30 volts, so you can use this module to charge your cell phone without any problem. We have provided 12 volt battery at the input, so let's check out that how much voltage we are getting at the output. So let's take a voltmeter and let's check out the output voltage from here. So we are getting 5.1 volt at the output. So let's check it again. Alright, so first check its input. We are supplying 12.2 volts as our voltmeter is showing 12.1 volt and our voltmeter is showing 12.2 volts. Almost. This is the input and output is over here, rightmost pin. So output is output is 5.1 volt. So this single module is able to provide fast charging to any load, including the cell phone, power banks and any other load. Let's check out the other load. Charging. For example, this cell charging. So this is it for today. So let's meet up in the next video. Till then, bye bye.